Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling location services and granting the map app permission. This allows the app to read your GPS and network data. Next, open the map and tap the locate icon or the blue dot so the map recenters on you. Once centered, long press to drop a pin where you are or where you want to mark. This creates a precise coordinate you can save, label, or use for navigation. Make sure to use high accuracy mode if available. Once your pin is placed, choose navigation and pick walking, driving, or transit to get turn-by-turn guidance. This adjusts ETA and route preferences. While routing, review the route overview to measure distance and travel time, or use the measure tool to get straight-line distances between points. When you need someone else to find it, tap Share to copy coordinates or a link. This sends exact lat/long, and map view so recipients open the same spot immediately and avoid miscommunication. To finish, save the location to favorites or a custom list and add a clear label and note so you recognize it later. Customization helps when you manage many pins. Also change map layers, adjust icons, and download the area for offline use to ensure access without signal. If the pin is wrong, recalibrate your device compass, toggle location off and on, or enable Wi-Fi and cellular positioning. These steps usually fix poor GPS accuracy and restore correct map placement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.